Oracle Cloud Suppliers. Hi, my name's Scott Walls, and I created this free, easy to follow course so anyone can learn how to use the Suppliers application in less than 1 hour. Together, we'll walk step by step through how to create, find, and change supplier transactions in Oracle Cloud. And best of all, if you have questions while you're taking the course, you can reach out to me directly at any time. Let me show you how to get started right now. Step 1. Go to Panomere.com, or if you hate typing, click the link below. Step 2. From Panomere's main menu, select Learn, then New Courses, then End Users, and click on Procurement. Step 3. From the Procurement page, click the Enroll button within the Basic Procurement Learning Path and start learning immediately. Don't miss out on this easy-to-learn opportunity. In fact, the course is free for the next 30 days. So what are you waiting for? Come to Panomere and get 1% better in the next couple hours. And I'll see you in the next video.